thank you so much for joining me. So this video will explain score, and basically we are going to look at how to interpret and translate a biblical mathematical equation. And so the biggest thing, or one of the common numbers that is found in scripture, is the word score. Score is has a numerical value, or basically it is the number 20. And so when you see it in scripture, I'm just going to give you two tips so that you know how to interpret it when you come across it again. First, whenever you see any number connected to the word score, you want to remember that that means you need to multiply by 20. For example, when you look at Psalms 90 verse 10, you'll see 4 score, which translates to 4 times 20, and it gives you 80. Or perhaps Daniel 9:25, which is 3 score, which means 3 times 20 is 60. And then in Revelations, you have 600, 3 score, and 6, which basically translates, we're just going to focus on the score for now, and that translates into 3 times 20, again, just like the previous one. So that's one guideline. The other guideline to help with interpreting biblical mathematical equations is the word and. When you see the word and, you simply just want to add. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's go back to Revelations 13:18. And with Revelations 13:18, you'll see 3 score, which is 3 times 20, and 6. So when you add that together, you get 66. And of course, in front of that is the 600. So you're adding that to the 600, and that's how you get 666. And so we're just going to go ahead and test this out. I have about 3 examples we can look at. So the first one will be Psalms 90 verse 10. When you read this, it says, "The days of our years are 3 score and 10. And if by reason of strength they be 4 score years, as yet is their strength labor and sorrow, for it is soon cut off, and we fly away." So the first one that we're going to examine will be the very first biblical mathematical equation, which is 3 score years and 10. So we already know 3 score, that's going to be 20 times 3, which of course gives you 60. And then and, which means plus 10, gives you 70. So just right there alone, what you're going to translate is really what they're saying is the days of our years are 70. And continuing that same verse, we have, "And if by reason of strength they be 4 score years." So 4 score is 4 and 20 is 80. So in other words, if by reason of strength they be 80 years. Okay, so let's go look at another one. In Daniel 9:25, same thing. Basically, it's saying, "Know therefore and understand that from the going forth of the commandment to restore and build Jerusalem unto the Messiah, the prince shall be 7 weeks and 3 score and 2 weeks." So already you have 2 equations in the verse. The first one is shall be 7 weeks. So 7 weeks is really just that. It's just 7. Now there's a little bit more to it, but that will be discussed in my video concerning Daniel 9. But the important part is and, so that means that you're going to add that 7 to right beneath it, which is 3 score and 2 weeks. So 3 score, again, 3 and 20 is 60 plus 2. So 62 plus a 7 is 69. So the total number is 7 plus 60 plus 2. That's 69. And the last one we have is 600, 3 score, and 6. So 600 is already what we're going to start with. 3 score. So 603, you're going to add it. 603 times 20. So 600 plus the 3 times 20, which is your 60, plus the 6 is 666. Okay, so that's how you do a biblical mathematical equation. Thank you again for your time. And as always, I want you to make it into the kingdom and make sure you're doing your part to help others make it into the kingdom. Thank you. Take care.